Hi, I'm Justin Clubb with Deary Collision Center and a member of the National Auto Body Council Drive-Out Distraction Committee. Did you know that cell phone usage leads to 1.6 million crashes each year? That is 1 in 4 car accidents in the United States caused by texting and driving, or an estimated 400,000 people that were injured in crashes involving a distracted driver. Don't become a statistic. The National Auto Body Council Drive-Out Distraction Program helps combat distracted driving amongst drivers of all ages. The program focuses on educating drivers about the dangers on the road and how to eliminate distractions in the car. Key tips include preparing for your road trip by downloading directions, checking weather and traffic conditions, set the music channel, and familiarize yourself with the vehicle controls. Reduce cell phone distraction by setting your phone to Do Not Disturb mode. If you're unfamiliar with how to do this, check out our video or ask a friend. And finally, eliminate in-car interruptions by securing pets, children, and any passengers in the back seat and remind them that interruptions and distractions will not be tolerated. The National Auto Body Council Drive-Out Distraction Program is available to all NABC members to use at any of their shop locations, rental car counters, with their own employees, or any other ways they see fit to help the distracted driving cause. Program materials include custom branded counter cards with instructions on how to set your device to Do Not Disturb mode and a call to action to take the NABC Drive-Out Distracted Challenge. Also includes a custom branded webpage on nationalautobodycouncil.org with tips for eliminating distracted driving. This is available to share via social media, your own website, and any of your email contacts you may have. And finally, also includes custom digital graphics to use on social media and any of your lobby televisions for customer viewing. We piloted this program in our shop and our customers really enjoyed taking the distracted driving challenge and found it very engaging, helping us in distracted driving. If you'd like to find out more information on how you can help too, contact us, the National Auto Body Council, at nabcddi@nationalautobodycouncil.org for more information and to sign up today. Look forward to seeing you there.